some messages para ilang at least kind of they can go back and remember those messages from certain people that we like to request to come up here and give the message for them. And now let us begin with the grandparents of Dolly. I'd like to call Mr. Reynaldo Caballes together with Mrs. Josephine Caballes. A round of applause, please.
Liwat ni nato kay the same May o birthday, September 4, the first na ako ni Joy. So, ano na to, Mariana, liwat na ako na bulutan. Buutan ko matulog dito.
Hi, good evening. Kabalo na dyan po tanan nga kani si Baby Doll. Nago na din ako. 2 years old pa na siya. Kay kabalo naman mo nga dysfunctional family manggod siya. Gikan. So, both parents, mga bata pa kaayo ba, walay buot. So, what do you expect? Magkabulan na jud. So, kanis Baby Doll, she was still 2 years old. Diri na siya nako. So, practically, marag ako ko yung mama. Kay, kanang gamay pa na siya, amo ganun idulog sa among bed. Then, kana among kutson, natungos dyan nag-ihi. Bata pa mo kayo niya. Wala pa ba na ako na toilet train? Na later, ako na siyang toilet train. So, di na siya mangihi sa bed. Bising katulgon ka na siya. Ako kong agakon. Di ako ko siyang kung anon. So, kami si Dali, palangga dyan kayo ako siya. So, ganiha akong yung si Chamson nga, doon palangga dyan si Dalha kay, palangga dyan kayo na ako. Kung imo ng kuwanon na, kita ko'y mag-away. Without joke only.
Pero kadua na siya, gugman mo, ako na.
Sagbang pagod. So, kuan, lipay na po ko nga si Chanson is, kuan ko na si Chanson, God-given ko na para ni Dal. Kaya I remember Dal, tungod ako siyang kagwapa, dagang kay nalinguha. Katong elementary pa to siya or high school. Di na yung usang naninguha niya na anak yung doktor. Karon, dito sa ilang school, kay Christian school man, dili allowed ng night. Kaya ba mga bata pa bang ibog ba na? So, na-reprimanded sila, si Dalo katong, boy, anak ko siya doktor. So, natingala ko one time, ang papa o mama o katong manghod atong yung classmate nga naibog na ito niya na reprimanded man kay Christian school niya ito yun sa balay niya ko, uy kabata pa niya akong apo sa mani di po ni kuha na mamalayi so kuha niya ay kato di ay papa nangayos lang pasaylo kay kuan ko no, katukuno ilang anak na laki, naibo ko no kayo ni Dal. Kunya, yung kung sus ka bata pa man kayo taon na ng Dal, di ko, unsay kalibutan na nagugma-gugma. Dahil yun itong papa nga, o dili sila magkadayon, dili ko nilang swerte, ikaw maayo. Pero nalipera po ko kay katong papa atong bata, doktor ba yan? At least, convict sila ba? Sila ni personal good sila o pangayon na magpasaylo.
Ako rin, first ako. So muna gitawag siya baby doll. Pero karon baby damulang na kay lalo naman. Oh, Joy, dali.
Ang sulti. Ay, thank you.
30 minutes na.
Kung na ba magkasulti rin ako mo hatag sila na ng microphone.
Alright, thank you so much. Let's give them a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Wilson Torres and Mrs. Mirna Torres. A round of applause, please.
Good evening sa tanan. Ako si Mirna Torres. Congratulations in Chan, ang dal. Tingog sa Proverbs na ko Proverbs sa 20 Proverbs 8:22. Basa 8:22. Kanang maayos dal langgaan gay gihatag na nimo sa Ginoo answer prayer gyapon na siya. So kanang gaguro ko kita asip. Sorry. Kanang simple pero ingana si Kuya dan ako kasulti ni Chan may siya ng budget, dili po siya kalasan, dili siya kanang materialistic, kanang palit o dili. So ingana siya na gusto na siya naman ba, sayang kay niya. So ingana siya si Chan, di siya ganaan kadunay masayang labi na sa like pagkakaroon ingana. So tinuod bang sa panahon na ito karon gilingayan na masayangan na ito. Ngayon, salamat na. Salamat din sa kaniyong niabot ka sa kinabuhi ni Chan. Then, welcome dan sa among family. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much. Ma'am Mirna Torres.
Akong ipadayon na akong tambag nimo nga tugma si Dan. Ayaw siya pagulha, ayaw siya kung sa imong gibati nga sa diyang uyab pa mo sama sa punta imong gibati kung mabot ng time nga gulang na mo. So, paningkamuti nga, hangtod-hangtod, kamatayon rin mo, magbulang ninyong luha. Ngayon, Kuya, salamat kayo kay dili man isa kay ako siyang anak. Si Chan, wala pa rin siya sa graduate. Nagtrabaho na siya. So sa iyang pag-graduate niya, halos siya kung nigasta po siya iyang graduation. So ingana siya sa matinabangon. Ingon ko nga, botan din siya. Doon na may pagkasotel ang doon bata pa. Sa ilang pagkabata, pero pagka-dako na din niya, botan din siya. Ngayon, matinabangon sa family, sa iyang nagsubon. Then, simple as Kuya. Maturo galing siya SM na Cebu nga, ka-short ka Chanilas niya. Short wala yung garter.
Gusto ko kayo. Nadunggan na ito ganiha sa officiating pastor, nag-mention siya, ang kami yun hangtod-hangtod. Till death to us part. Dili siya till 60 ha. So till death. Dan kami yun sa kaniya, giminsun sa kito, nga spiritual, na kinahanglan, nga gani gadalang Biblia, kung kay gisulti usab dito sa nadungan na to nga ang atong kinabuhi, inyong kinabuhi, isip magtayo, magbase gid kamo sa principle sa Dios. So doon na ko'y gamay mga 3 verses, doon ay gamay ng supporting verses. Gusto ko na dili mo magbulag. Nagyon sa Matthew 16 verse 22-23, ningon si Ginoong Hesus, muadto ko sa Jerusalem. Sa Jerusalem ila kong dakpon, sakiton, pantuson, ug ila kong patyon. Pero muadto jud ko kay mo man ang will sa akong amahan. Nakadungog ang mga disciples ug usa si Peter ningon, Ginoo, dili unta mahitabo ang imong gisulti karon. Di ba dili biyagon angayan tang masugo no? Kay ngeno siya dili unta mahitabo ang gisulti nimo. Pero si Kristo lingi niya mag-ingon, Satan, ni siya pahawa gikan ka na ko Satanas. Si Peter mo iniingon na nga dili unta ka na mahitabo, pero si Satanas ang gibadlo sa Dios. And siya, get thee behind me, Satan, who thou art an offense unto me. Who thou art, who thou savors not the things that be of God, kung sa ikalipay ni Satanas, that be of man or men. So unang-una na, sa inyong kaminyoon, kinahanglan jud chanson kita may gitagaan sa Dios ko. Leader man ta sa pamilya, head of the family. Kuya, kung tunay panag-away ninyo, kung tunay panagbulag, kita yung lalaki ang hinungdan. Yes. Kaya ang babae, musagmit magiging ang babae, pasayo ako. Musagmitar magiging ang babae na. Kita may leader. So kung doon naman kanya mga dili, doon na may mga kinahanglan istoryahan, kinahanglan na mangayo kag advice. Doon ay advice ni inyong isgutan kung sa'y disadvantage ug advantage. Before mo muhimo na mag-ampo sa Ginoo, magtagan mo sa correct decision. Ug ikaw na sa chancellor ang mo-decide. Kang kinsa man nga desisyon ang may tabo, imo man chancellor ug kadal, ayon kanimo nagsulti ang Dios. Gana sa inyo ba mo? Matthew 19 verse 6. Nibuwag ka sa imong ginikanan chancellor na makikiusa kay mo sa ug kamo duha nahimong usa. So kung doon na may desisyon, advice o idea gikan ninyo, ayaw kalimot nga inyong ng duha. Ayaw nga dili mo moabot sa butang nga mag-away mo. Kung doon na desisyon, nagkasama mo. Second verse, Hebrews 13:4. Importante ni. Marriage is honorable in all. In all, and the bed undefiled. Harun magkaryot lang ni Johnson, gigugman yung si Dal, gigugman yung si Johnson. So wala pa mo magminyo, walay nahitabo. Kaya dili man pwede mo magdulog sa bed na wala mo maminyo. Meaning to say, ang gift sa Diyos, kuya, is holy. Nya sa sumpay anak, giingon, and the whoremongers and adulterers, God will judge. So ang gift chance sa Diyos mo nang himuon sa bana o kasawa. Nagets ninyo? Okay. Yan, ningon siya sa Mateo usa, ug walay silit-silit sa makapabulag. Last verse ko nagingon siya sa Ephesians 4:26. Be angry. Pwede kang masuko. And sin not. Hindi pwede nga masuko ka pero magkasala. And let not the sun go down upon your wrath. Nakainumdum ka dito ta na malayo Johnson, na dili pwede nga mag-alakan siya tao problema. Kinahanglan yun, kung doon ay problema, isitol yun, dili pwedeng mabuntagan. Kaya kung mahitabo na Chanson, diligid mahimong maayo ang sabutan. Pwedeng gamiton ni Satanas nga magkuba ang inyong relasyon. Ug mo na ang akong experience. Salamat. O na yung sa ka-verse lang, last na ni. Pasaylo ako. Nagyon siya sa 1 Corinthians 7, 4 and 5. Chanson, dili na ikaw ang tag-iya sa imong lawas. Si Dal, dili na ikaw ang tag-iya sa imong lawas. Si Chanson na. O simple lang, nagyon sa 5, ang gift sa Diyos holy thing comes from God. Niyon siya, kung dili niyo buhaton, ang gift, ang kanang undefiled, kanang gihimo, dili na kasala. Kung dili niyo buhaton, nagyon ang Diyos, pwede si Satanas mutintal nimo kung nimo dal sa rason kung na kulangan sa gitawag o gift. Salamat o pasaylo akong maayong gabi na tanan.
Let's give it up for Mr. Roberto Nocete.
Two things, Chance. First is intimacy. Like, you really have to be intentional in spending time with each other. Okay, sometimes you can be there, but you're not really there without. Proximity doesn't really guarantee. So, pag sa kadugayan karon kasi sa 2022 ko mo so 3 years pa, then pagka later on siguro, pero hopefully dili. Yung ano mo masanay na mo sa usap-usapan, then kuan medyo mabaliwala na ninyo inyong kuan. So, be intentional. Tapos, second thing is, you have to make it work, but also, second thing is compromise. Like, for example lang, mulaag mo, so, and then, nanong may kids. So, and then, one should be there sa balay. So, kung ano, mag-compromise mo nga, siya sa Mulakaw, ikaw sa dili. For example, me and my wife, for example, wala may verbally agree ani, pero kung small decisions is hers, big decisions is ako. So we've been together since 2012, but we've been married since 2021. So far wala pa yung big decisions bitaw. So tanang decisions so muna siya. So get a chance. First is
Tyra Rocamora for her message to the couple.
No, elementary grade 5. Dayon. Nagka-classmate mo sa first year until graduate ni og high school. So taas-taas na ang journey. So ako rin nakasahon ha. Okay, so for those who may not know me, I am Tyra, the matron of honor of our beautiful bride doll. So today is a day of great joy, not only because two people are becoming one, but because we are witnessing the faithfulness of God in their lives. I've walked alongside doll through many seasons. Kita ko sa klase-klase niyang haircut. Pixie, sa paman, daghan siyang klase-klase haircut, but one day na siya ko, kay long hair na siya. And it's because of Charison. Okay, so padayon ta. I've had the privilege of watching her grow from the girl I shared countless memories with into the amazing woman she is right now. She is strong, caring, sometimes stubborn, but in the best way. And she has a heart that gives so much love. O makabantay mo, siya bagit akong nailhan na bride na ay 5 ka bridal shower. Amazing kayo. So, a simple ko ba nga, inana siya ka-love sa iyahang mga people around her. Kahit nagkakay siya, kaya lang. Okay, so, also I've seen her pray, trust, and wait for the man God had prepared for her, and now, si Jason, her answering prayer. Kuan man good kita chukuanin niya. Ikapila siya na heartbroken. But nalipay kayo ko kay ang Ginoo, naghatag siya niya o kanabitong kanang kung sa studya pa sa parents of groom, kuan jud ba, meant for each other gid silang duha. Kuan jud sa Ginoo gi-prepare sila sa usa-usa kay Kuya Chanson raman lagi siya. So to my best friend Dal, I want to say how proud I am of the woman you've become, faithful, strong, and full of grace. And to my brother in Christ, Chanson, thank you for loving her with Christ. Call us to love, the patience, kindness, and respect. So, to the bride and groom, Dal, Chanson, may God bless you richly as you walk hand in hand to forever. Love you both.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Kyra Rocamora. Indeed, iba itong a message. Please welcome Ms. Bianca Navarro.
Bianca. I'm one of Dolly and Chanson's closest friend. Also, this is my first time to be a bridesmaid, by the way, and thank you so much. You'll always be my first bride, and thank you so much for this opportunity. I met Doll during a time in my life when I started say yes to new things and going out, mag-inom, meeting new people, and just exploring outside of my comfort zone. And that's when I met her. We've seen each other through many highs and lows. She's seen mine and also hers. And I've also seen her journey with this guy right here, si Bobby Chanson. Bobby Chanson. Before I go further, I just wanted to say, this speech is partly written by me, but gihatagan ko niya pointers. O kung sa ako dapat istorya ko, katag siya lista ka mo, di istorya biya ko sa But according to her list and pointers, she and Chanson have known each other since 2014-15, and apparently Chanson was just her so-called kuya. And at first, the kuya she could talk about life and love to the point na kailan niya tanan niyang exes. As you mentioned, sa best man ganiha na mag-away sila o pansit canton, si Dad before, muhilak na siya pansit canton, kaya nga na siya ka-broken hearted before. But before then one day after we break up, Doll made a new Facebook account and randomly decided to add Chanson. And that one small click turned into conversations turned into late night chats, and eventually meeting each other again sa Cebu, and everyone knew what happened after. Even when her company event sa Cebu got cancelled, she still went, and next thing we knew, she was being given flowers and chocolates and classic smooth Chanson. But when we first met Chanson, I remember how KP, my husband, immediately liked him and his dad jokes. Like instantly, and fun fact, Doll is actually one of the main reasons as well why I met my husband now. So in a way, Doll didn't just find her love story, she helped me find mine too, and like, she's been the greatest godmother of our little Rhythm and Kashi. So thank you so much for loving our little ones, and we know that you'll be the best mother or the greatest mother to your own babies as well. And beyond that, I've seen how beautifully Chanson and Doll bring out the best in each other. Chanson makes Doll softer, happier, more grounded, very, 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 very blooming, and Doll in return brings out the most caring, patient, and intentional side of Chanson, which is na-shock me tanan kay before mong si Chanson kay di na siya kabalo mo smile nga magyaw-yaw jud mi nga tao kuno smile mag-chance ya. Chanan kaayo niya karon kay pagkita ng screen up ko, oh my gosh, grabe na usog jud si Bobby Chanson. Anyway, so dako kay kausbanan sa both of them, and I know everyone here can attest that, from si Doll from short hair to the long, from jeans before, nadagko kay si Nina to long dresses, and look at her now. And from just believing in love to living a love that's deeply rooted in faith. Together, they've built a relationship that reflects God's faithfulness and filled with laughter, understanding, and grace. So, Dolly and Bobby Chance, may your marriage be full of laughter and understanding. May you continue to choose each other every single day with grace, patience, and love that always points back to the Lord. Choose the both of you to lifetime love, laughter, and hopefully twins in the future.
Thank you very much, Ms. Bianca Navarro, for the message.
I've known her since high school niya. Yun nga, from bobcat, maikling buhok, or any style ng buhok, and then to long hair, kasi we became worship leader sa LCA. High school friends sila ng anak kong si Luke. And Dal was one of the member ng first band din ni Luke, which is the Young Heir. Young Heir. So she's the senior of the band. And hanggang sa, like, I've seen her grow sa kanyang, from not little, but girly to boyish, and then now a beautiful woman. And I've witnessed also, like others said, na yung mga heart breaks me. I was there with her, and I know some of her past, but with her heartbroken, I'm also heartbroken. Na masakitan ko kay nga nung dili maging successful lang kanyang relationship with God, and I'm always and constantly praying for her na makakita jud siya ng someone ba na who would love her forever. Yan siya. So, ay mga broken-hearted na yan na yung to the extent na baby daw namatay si friend Chandler. Anak ba? So, it was really painful. So, siya talaga yung minamessage ko kasi siya yung nakakaintindi. She knows. The funny thing is, she could always be mistaken as my daughter kasi like my mga friends na mga musa, or not really friends, like acquaintance lang. So, kumusta mga anak mo? Sabi, mga anak. Sabi ko, isa lang po yung anak ko, lalaki. Sabi yung girl, sabi, kasama lang po niya yun sa worship team. Anyway, so, one afternoon, nag-send si Dal ng kanyang male, what's that, AI or ano? Filtered male version ni Dal. Then sabi, Tita Luke, kamukha ko talaga si Gianni, yung anak ko. Oh my gosh, she's officially became my adopted daughter. Anyway, so, to you, Dal, this verse always brings sa akin. I always bring it talagang hanggang sa my husband left me. However, in Ephesians 5:33, however, let one of you love his wife as himself, and let the wife see that she respects her husband. Always, wag mawala yung respect, whatever. So, and to Chanson, Ephesians 5:25, husbands, love your wives just as Christ loved the church and gave himself for her. So always love that, because I love her too. Just like everyone, like Mama Joyce said, and she really loved that. So as we already said that she's my adopted daughter, it's really true. I'm always praying for her. Dili pwedeng ma-heartbroken again. So anyway, so thank you for loving her, and finally, she found the one. And for both of you, actually meron akong isang book na gusto ko i-recommend for you. It's The Power of Praying Wife, pero by Stormy Omartian. But there's also a book, The Power of Praying Husband. And first pa lang na line doon na sinabi niya nagsama na si husband and wife, and the wife was like saying na, Lord, kay daghan ng ka-IBC, just like what your father said, na yung like others na busy na, hindi naman kasi nagtanay, away-away or something. The wife would pray na, Lord, change my husband. Pero instead of praying, Lord, change my husband, pray that change me. So, ikaw mismo, the wife. So, I think it goes also the same way with the husband and Lord, change me. Yung prayer na yun na, para you will look at each other na yung dili niya fault or dili fault. So that, ito yung last verse na sabihin ko na in 1 Peter 4:8, above all, keep loving one another earnestly, since love covers a multitude of sins. So, love each other. So, that's all. Congratulations. Love you both.
Thank you so much. Tina Luz was there all the way. Thank you very much.